Adventure Bay. Look, here's Chase. I'm glad you're here, Chase. I've lost my pup pad somewhere around the lookout. Can you help me? Perfect! Now drive to the pup pad. You did it! Thanks, Chase. Have some pup treats. Collect enough pup treats and you'll win a prize. There are a few more around the lookout. Go get them. There it is! Whoa, that looks fun! Tap the slide to use it. Great! You got it! Oops! The birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel! Spin, spin, spin! You did it! Nice bench! Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? Nice. Tap on the broken bench to fix it with the piece you carry. Thanks for hurrying, pups. A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase in, cluck cluck, run amok. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups. Farmer Yumi will be happy. You're really good pups. Great work, pup. Here's your very own pup pad. A call from Alex. Look, Alex needs our help. Tap on the pup. With your pup pad, you can visit the people of Adventure Bay. Let's help Alex. We're on a roll. Alex lost his favorite super trike. Can you find it? Other pups can help on this mission. Tap on the paw button to call and pick a pup. All right, pup. Time to find Alex's. That's it. It's the super trike. You found it. Let's bring it back to Alex. Thank you, pup. Alex will be able to zoom around town again. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. Way to go, pup! A broken lamppost. Do you see it? Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Almost there, pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. There it is! Perfect! Chase! This looks cool! Can't wait to see you play with it. Good job, pup. Keep collecting as many of these as you can. Just a little more. Way to go, pup! Katie's calling. It's that time of year where Mayor Goodway is organizing a big party at the City Hall. She needs your help to decorate the town. Good job, pup. Keep collecting as many of these as you can. Whoa! Impressive. Mayor Goodway will be proud. Keep going, pup. Wow, halfway there. Keep on collecting. You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. You did it! Puptacular! This looks cool! Can't wait to see you play with it. Nice! Something cool to win next! Cool! A new prize to win! Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! The horn from the train scared Farmer Al's cows. They've run out into town and are wandering around. We need to help Farmer Al and get them back on the train before it leaves. Sky, I'll need you to spot the cows from the air. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Sky in camouflage. All right, Sky, let's find those cows for Farmer Al. You found one. There's a cow. You got it. Cow spotted. You can do it, pup. Great work, Sky. Farmer Al will be so relieved. No job is too big, no pup is too small. I see a broken lamppost. These are perfect. Grab them when you see them. This looks cool. Can't wait to see you play with it. Keep going, pup. Just a few more treats to get your prize. Katie's calling. Look, Katie has something to say. Katie lost her cat, Callie. Can you find Callie? Look, it's Callie. Aw, nice work, pup. Katie is really happy now that Callie is back. It's a gift box. Welcome to the party. Awesome. Step onto the circle to catch the ball. Catch all the balls to win. Good luck. Nice! Amazing! Cool! Good job, pup! You did it! You got all the items we needed! Let's put them up! Impressive! Mayor Goodway will be proud! Keep at it! The City Hall needs more decorations for the festivities. Welcome to Jake's Mountain! It's packed with super cool Frosty Build-A-Snowman! Play giant hockey! Play music with luminous icicles! Reach the summit, then slide down the mega slope! Everest lives here too! It's an icy paradise! Way to go! You've collected a lot of them! Keep going! We still need more. Uh-oh. Where's the cap of that fire hydrant? Choose someone to visit. Here we go. Oh no! Chickaletta ran away again. Help Mayor Goodway find her. Look, it's Chickaletta! Awesome! Let's bring her back to Mayor Goodway. Thanks, pup! Mayor Goodway feels better with Chickaletta around. This looks cool! Can't wait to see you play with it. Incredible! Puptacular! You did it, Pup! You won! A broken lamppost. Do you see it? You can do it, Pup! You did it! You got all the items we needed! Let's put them up! Impressive! Mayor Goodway will be proud! Keep at it! The City Hall needs more decorations for the festivities. Pick a place to go. We're on a roll! Captain Turbot saw a ghost around a pirate ship. Let's investigate this mystery. The ghost! It's in the barrel! Oh, it's Chickaletta. She was snoring in the barrel. Good work, Pup. Captain Turbot is relieved there's no ghost on the ship. To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members. You got it! Awesome! Tap as fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish! To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members. Yes, these will do just great. Way to go! You've collected a lot of them. Keep going. We still need more. You did it! You got all the items we needed. Let's put them up. Incredible! This truly sets the mood. But we still need more decorations for the festivities. Congratulations, Pup! You've gathered all of the decorations. Let's get the festivities started. Hoffit. Katie's collar. Look, Katie has something to say. Someone has hidden Katie's pet shampoo. Can you find it? Oh, it's the pet shampoo. Can you see it? Good find, Pup. Let's bring it to Katie. Hooray! Thanks to you, Katie will be able to bathe the pets again. Be on the lookout for super treats. I heard they were super special during the event. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Thanks for hurrying, pups. A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Jason, Cluck Cluck, run amok. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups. Farmer Yumi will be happy. The Paw Patrol saves the day. Almost there, Pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. You got it, Pup! Almost there. Right on, Pup! It's a gift box! Puptacular! Uh-oh, where's the cap of that fire hydrant? Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? You can do it, Pup. on the lookout for super treats. I heard they were super special during the event. It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it. Whoa! You got it. Puptacular! Wow! You won all the prizes! If you want more, add more pups to the team. Rocky is ready to roll. Add him to the team to unlock his possum prizes. A call from Alex. Incredible! It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. When your pup eats a super treat, it can go really fast. More pups are waiting to join up and help. Add another to the team to access more prizes. It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it. Whoa! There it is. You have unlocked everything you could here. It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it. Whoa! Be on the lookout for super treats. I heard they were super special during the event. Pick a place to go. We're on a roll. May Goodway has lost her purse. Can you find the pink purse? Over there! It looks like the mayor's purse. Get close to finish your mission. Tap it to eat it. Good find, pup. Let's bring it back to the mayor. Mayor Goodway is relieved that you found her purse. I see a broken lamppost. It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it. Whoa! Nice work, pup. I see a broken